Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Well guys, many students often ask me this question, what is UKVi IELTS, right? Number one. And number two, they ask me this question, is it more difficult than normal IELTS? What is the difference and all that? In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. Well, UKVi IELTS is actually UK Visa and Immigration or Visas and Immigration. What happens, IELTS, if you plan to go to UK specifically or any country that is the part of UK like Scotland, Ireland, Wales, Northern Ireland and all that, Northern Ireland and all that. So for that, they want to observe you. They want to make sure that you go through the right channel, and they want to actually screen you before you enter UK. So for that, they have IELTS UKVi. Now let me tell you, if you're planning to go to UK, standard IELTS will not be acceptable because the requirement of UK visas and immigration, that is UKVi, they will not entertain you with other IELTS. Yes, UKVi IELTS can be used with some other countries, but you have to check with your university. Very, very important. First, you check with your university that I've got UKVi. Can you take it in Australia, New Zealand or other countries? So you need to keep that in mind. But otherwise, you should be clear when you are planning whether you're planning to go to UK or other countries. Now, let me tell you, UKVi or normal IELTS tests are same. If IELTS test is conducted on a certain day, for example 10th March normal IELTS, 10th March UKVi, both tests are going to be same. Only difference is surveillance through CCTV cameras. There will be the surveillance through cameras. By the time you reach there, you will be monitored by cameras, and there are so many cameras, and the test is live in UK, where there is the monitoring agency and they are monitoring each and every candidate, test standards. Even they have very close cameras like high definition cameras, and they can hear your voice as well. Very, very sensitive cameras along with mics. So UKVi is just this, that there is some monitoring by UK visa and border agencies, and they want to see who are the people who are taking, whether the test is being conducted properly or not and all that. Otherwise, as far as preparation is concerned, you can normally prepare for IELTS. And by the way, this UKVi is just not academic. UKVi academic IELTS, UKVi gender training IELTS, right? So the test is same. Headphones will be provided. Everything is same. Writing, reading, listening, speaking. And in speaking also, there will be the closed circuit cameras, and you'll be monitored, and you will be under their cameras throughout your test, even before and after. Okay, so now you should make up your mind. If you're planning to go to UK only, then you can apply for UKVi IELTS. Otherwise, you can take normal IELTS test, but the standard IELTS test will not be accepted by UK visas and immigration agencies. That's it. All the best guys. Thank you very much. I truly wish you best of luck with your IELTS preparation, and may you get your desired bench score. I also teach IELTS online here in Lahore and on campus all over the world. If you want to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take care. Allah Hafiz.